miss me? I'm sure you did. I hope you all like my makeup look using a palette by Juviasplace. I love Juviasplace's product. Make sure you check them out. I'm going to be using the Berries palette that they released on their website, and I am super excited to get to know you guys a little bit more. You all can get to know me. We can chat a little bit and do some makeup, which I absolutely love. So let's jump right into this video. I'm going to again be reviewing the Berries palette by Juviasplace. Looks like this, super pretty. This is what the inside looks like, and the colors look absolutely stunning. When I first saw it, I was like, I need to get this Berries palette. It looks so gorgeous, and I love the pop of pink as well as the shimmers. I love Berries mauve colors in addition to my neutrals and browns. You all should know that, and if you don't, well, now you know. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your favorite eyeshadow colors? I also feel like berry colors and mauve colors, they really highlight green eyes, as you all can see. I feel like they really make them pop so much more. I do have on these lenses from Just Fakira. These are their Asa green lenses. I will link that video that I did up above for you to check it out in case you are interested in knowing more about the company and the lenses that they sent me. And now let's jump into this. So this is going to be me reviewing this palette. As I mentioned, I'm trying to do reviews more here on my channel, and I thought I'd start with Juviasplace, and I've done a few before. I'm going to link the videos that I have done up above in case you are interested in checking out any other makeup companies or products from makeup companies. I've done a few before, but I want to do them more now and do like a little chit chat with you all and see how you all have been doing and holding up, and also give you updates, you know, on my life, I guess, and get to know you all much better. So I'm first starting with this light pink. It's like a light dusty pink, I guess you could say. It's like a bit of a mauve pink too. I'm just putting this above the crease very lightly, and I'm just blending it out. So now let's chat. How have you all been doing? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. How have you all been handling what's been going on with the world? I hope you all have been staying safe. You all pretty much, when you guys comment on my videos, you all pretty much tell me that you're safe. So that makes me like happy, but I just want to also know, how have you all been doing since everything that's been happening. I do have the fan on in the back because in my filming room here, it is super hot. I didn't even think it was going to be this hot here in New York City. It's like a heat wave we're getting, so oh my god, it's been super hot. I am so hot, and then I have these lights here. Forget it, I'm like burning up. So I put on the fan and it's like helping, and of course my makeup was pretty much melting off. So I had to put on the fan, and I put on the fan, and I feel so much cooler now, and I have like a little drink here as well, just some iced tea, so that's been helping me stay cool. What is your favorite season? Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite season is. Mine is definitely fall time. I love fall time. I don't really like summer too much. I like spring except for allergies, but pretty much I do love fall the most out of all of the seasons. Winter, I used to like winter once upon a time, but now that I've grown up in New York City, I don't really like winter as much as I used to when I was younger, I feel like, but definitely fall for me. Now I'm gonna go in with my next brush and this dark purple type of color. I'm gonna focus it right here on the crease and just blend it out after I finish patting it in and getting the desired color that I want. I'm so happy some of you checked out the Just Fakira video. That was a sponsored video by them. And I was super excited when I saw their lenses on Instagram because I've always heard so many people talk about them. I hadn't gotten a chance to get their lenses. You know, there's so many companies out. So once I got their lenses and wore them, I was absolutely obsessed with them. So I feel like you're gonna be seeing me wear them more, especially with makeup tutorials, because their lenses are just bomb. bomb. They're super soft and super comfortable. These colors are going together very, very nicely. I have to admit, Juvia's Place eyeshadows never used to be my favorite eyeshadows. I'll have to say that. They weren't my favorite eyeshadows simply because I felt like the pigment wasn't there in the beginning, but now I feel like since they've been out a while and they've come out with so many more palettes and so many more colors, I feel like they've really stepped up, especially when it comes to the pigment factor. So I love this palette. I used it on this eye and I just absolutely love it. I was super excited when I got it because they had a big sale on their website and I was like, yes, I'm getting this palette when I saw it. They had a few more, but I got this one and I want to get a pink palette that I saw on their website as well. Just gonna keep on blending this out. Their eyeshadows blend out very, very easily, just in case you all want to know. They blend out super easily, super easily. Just go one more time. And then I'm gonna darken up with the crease. You have to work in small amounts, obviously, as you know, with dark colors. You don't wanna put on too much because then blending it out gets to be like a hassle. So just start very, very light with dark colors. All right, now I'm gonna go into the deepest, darkest purple that they have here. Mixed it off and just pat it here. I'm gonna try and keep it on the outer edge of my eye, so just keep that color concentrated here. I like it because I feel like it's pigmented, but I feel like it's not too pigmented. You know what I mean? Like there's pigment, but it's not too much pigment to the point where you can't blend it out. What are your summer plans, if you will? Are you gonna visit family? Let me know in the comments section down below. So far, my summer plans, I wanna go to the beach this summer. There's not too many beaches in New York City, so you gotta kind of go outward. So I'm gonna go to the beach, maybe an amusement park, maybe. I think that would be cool. It's something different to do. And of course, take the proper precautions. You know, mask, 6 feet, that whole thing. Still, I'm not gonna bring the color over too much, just like there should be. Have you guys' allergies been acting up? Mine have been like off the chain, forget it, just been so bad. And then when I have to do color contact lens videos sometimes, they get worse because then what happens is they really start bothering me. They get like really bad, especially with all of the colors that I have to try on for those videos. It just gets so bad. My allergies the next day will just be so bad. Okay, now I'm going to use this really pretty purple shimmer color. It's so pretty, but I feel like it works better when you use your hand to apply it as opposed to a brush. But a brush gives you more control, whereas your hand, your fingers, won't be able to give you that much control and get into like the inner corner and all that. I absolutely love this palette. I don't have not one bad thing to say about it. And I can't wait to try more products from Juvia's Place. If you want me to review any other makeup companies, then definitely let me know in the comments section down below. And I will get those reviews up for you all. See what I mean when I said it makes green eyes pop? Or if you're wearing green colored contact lenses, like these colors are definitely going to make your eyes pop. I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Flash on. Kind of blend it out. think that looks really pretty. Add some of that right here. Now I'm gonna put on some black liner. I haven't worn black liner in a bit. So I'm gonna put it on the top and the bottom. The fan blowing in my face is kind of like annoying, but I'd rather a fan blowing in my face than me to be super, super, super hot and be in here dying. All right, and there you are. These eyeshadows just are stunning. I absolutely love Juvia's Place eyeshadows. I would highly suggest you get them. Let me put on lashes, put on a little bit of highlighter, finish up the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed me doing this makeup tutorial using the Berries palette by Juvia's Place. Make sure you check out the description box down below. It has the links to everything that I used on my face, as well as to this palette on Juvia's Place's website. So thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Thank you all again, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye, guys.